In this video, we're going to make sure that you have a text editor set up. Now, the basics of JavaScript, it was a prerequisite for this course. So you've probably written code before, and you most likely have a text editor that you're already enjoying and have configured to fit your needs. Maybe you're using Sublime Text, Brackets, Text Wrangler, WebStorm, Atom, or Visual Studio Code, or one of any number of countless text editors out there. The only purpose for this video is for me to show you Visual Studio Code. You can learn more about it at code.visualstudio.com. Visual Studio Code is a free open source text editor released by Microsoft. And when I first heard the name, I got flashbacks to those drag and drop GUIs, but it really is a fantastic tool. Aside from being free and open source, it's also available on all operating systems. So whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux, you're going to be able to install it and configure it exactly as I have mine configured. So we'll be looking at various settings we can set and various plugins that are going to make working with React just a little bit easier. Now, you by no means need to switch to Visual Studio Code. If you already have an editor that you know how to customize and configure, you can stick with that. But if you're not crazy about your editor or you're looking for a more integrated experience, I highly recommend downloading VSC and using it throughout the course. It's the editor that I'm going to be using in every single video. So go ahead, download this, install it, crack it open, and in the next video, we just have one more thing we need to install, and then we're going to dive right into React.